Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? I can't speak, but I swear we're getting through this. If not, click that little blue button right there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Today we're going to work on some more Christmas ornaments. This is inspired by another YouTuber. So Melon told me about a YouTube channel that was making shingles, like cedar shakes, like this, into Christmas wall hangings. So I wanted to make a few, but I'm not going to totally, do exactly what they were doing, but I want to show you what they were doing and sort of do my own take on it. This is a cedar shake that you pick up in a bundle, and I got mine at Menards and they were $22, but they're going up because at Home Depot they were like $60 for the same bundle because wood prices, like everything else, are going up. And then I dry brushed on it just some white because that's what they did on theirs, and I didn't go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to cut this off, but I'll show you why. And we are going to be using stamps to make these. So yay, I picked up the exact same stamps they were using. These are the IOD Christmas. IOD, what's the name? Holly Jolly stamps. Ink. I'm using paint because I don't have any ink. All right, I've located my brayer. I've got a plate to roll into the paint, and I've got Santa. And I decided I'm going to use Christmas tree green here. This dries a little bit darker. I know it doesn't look like Christmas tree green in the jar, but trust me, when it dries, it is. Somewhat centered, doesn't have to be perfect. And press it straight down. Again, and then lift straight up. That sucks. Oh my gosh, that doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look like theirs at all. Now what do we do? Well, I'm not going to be defeated by a stamp. Okay, I've recoated it. It's flat now, but you can still see the shadow of that Santa peeking through. Do the Santa one more time here. And this time, I'm going to put a lot of paint on him. No, that was better. It now at least looks kind of like a Santa. Like a really creepy Santa. Forgive me, Ollie. Like, how many times do I have to stamp this before it looks right? There's no twinkly eye. I'm gonna go rinse this. And those woodcuts are nice, but then it started me thinking, not everybody wants to hang a big woodcut on their wall, but you know what? We could make ornaments. So I picked up a few of these woodcut ornaments on Amazon, and I'll put links in the description below. There was also links on my website for those of you who went there early and got some. I picked up these larger ones, and I picked up some smaller ones. And I picked up some little wooden tags because I think these would be cute little ornaments, or even if you left it as a gift tag, a little wooden gift tag that could be used as an ornament after the person opens their gift. I think I'm going to start with this little house. Oh, plenty of paint there. That's all right. I think it needs more paint. how cute he is. um, it's so light, I feel like it should be painted now. Like it's just the outline. Okay, so I don't know how you guys felt about what it looked like before, but I went ahead and did some hand painting on it. I like it with the color. Like I like the not outlined look. So I filled in what would be like broken on the stamp. And then I did a joy stamp and then colored it in. And I think that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the plate to stamp them and then use that as my outline and color them in. So I have these little guys right here. I'm going to finish coloring that in because I don't like the outline look. And that's personal preference. You may like the outline look. There's nothing wrong with the outline look. It looks, I mean, it's cute. It's just not what I see in my head. Does that make sense? Nope. I failed miserably at this. I'm not, nope. I am gonna use the ones that I've done, but I am so frustrated with things like this. I'm really, really frustrated. Anyone who does stamping, you have all my respect because I don't know how you do it. Like, this is so frustrating to me. The second one that I did with the same stamps, same process, came out significantly worse than the first one. And it's like, what? The inconsistency is the only consistency. And that's just really frustrating to me is I don't like that look, that sort of stippled, unfinished. I don't like that. I was getting frustrated with it yesterday. I'm on day 2. I know the video you guys are watching looks like it's all in one. No, I got so frustrated I walked away yesterday because I was ready to like throw everything in the burn pile. I have several false starts here that you guys didn't see. They're horrible. They're horrible. They're horrible. I don't like the stamps at all. I hate it. I freaking hate it. Let it burn. That's all I'm saying. So I have 3 that I finished. Ugh. It's all turning on me. I got this one, and this one. So you saw the rest. I am going to take these, though, since they don't have a hole in them, and they are now going to become coasters. So I'm going to clear coat them. And they're just going to become coasters. I can't deal with this. Ugh. I'm going to take these with the hole in them. They're probably going to get decoupaged or something else on them because I don't want to just be out that money. Yeah, you got to pivot when things don't work out the way you thought they would. I mean, clearly, they're not what I thought they were going to be. They were too frustrating for me. And I'm guessing that some of you watching are like, I'm having no problem at all. I love this. This is great. And you're stamping away. And I'm like, struggling for every inch. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junket shirts, don't forget to click the link below and get yours today. They make a great Christmas gift, but order early because they're taking forever. If you want to send me a Thrift Flip challenge, here's the P.O. box. It's also in the description below. I may or may not get it. We never know. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, because Lord, after this, I need it. You can do that. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. I appreciate if you've endured through this fail. It's an epic fail. This is an epic crafting fail. That's what I think the thumbnail is going to say. Epic crafting fail. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.